How to fix your Realtek digital output not having any sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Realtek digital sound not coming or not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we will do is that we'll open up our control panel. Open up a control panel and under category, simply choose small icons. After you do that, right around here somewhere, you should find the sound option. Head over to your sound, and after you open it up, you'll find your speakers, that is your Realtek audio. Now you can double tap on it to open its properties. Now what you'll need to do is head over to advanced. Now right here you will see different options here. Now make sure that you restore it to default. If you change anything, make sure that you restore it to default. And after you do that, make sure that your spatial sound format is turned off. Now doing that will reset your Realtek to its basic functionalities. And after you do that, you can simply just tap on apply, tap on OK. And that's the first thing that we will do. Now the second option that we can do is, again, head over to your control panel, head over to your device manager, open up your device manager, and after you do that, you'll find your sound option somewhere around here. Simply find your sound, or you should find an option that says audio inputs and outputs. Open that up, head over to your speakers, and then you can simply update your driver. If updating your driver does not work, disable your driver and then enable it again. And with that, your problem should get fixed. And that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.